What's up, everybody? It's the Howell family, and we're back at it again. Biggity back at it again with another banger. That's right. Before we get started to the video, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. Go ahead and share this with your mama, with your daddy, with your brother, with your sister, with your uncle, with your auntie. And let's get this thing started. Today, guys, we are heading to Charlotte, North Carolina to hit up IKEA. That's right. As you guys seen by the thumbnail, we are getting ready to go pick up our dresser for our babies. As you can see, check.
And other stuff. I found stuff I want.
And other stuff that she found. I mean, I was at work earlier this morning, so, you know, the wifey, you know, she always searching to find the stuff. Guys, it's getting closer and closer to that time, man. Like, we have what? Like
3 months.
3 months counting down, guys. 90 days.
It's not exactly 90 days.
3 months, babe. It's 30. No,
we don't have exactly
February
3
is
months.
leap
We don't
year.
have exactly 30 months. I mean 3 months.
30 months. But
we have.
that thing said 60 items added. What was that?
Ooh, don't be looking over here.
Y'all.
It's just the registry, dog.
Oh, I'm about to say. But anyway, guys, we're getting ready to first we gotta head to Wendy's to get some food because we both hungry. That's what we about to get. I gotta get some gas in my car. You know, we about to hit this thing on the road. So we will see you guys once we get further to our destination. All right, guys. So we are at Wendy's about to get to this food. So what you want again?
That's all paid up. So the only thing.
What you want?
No, I'm making more tea.
I want a day single.
Yes, I'm ready.
Go ahead. 2 tea bags.
Might have a day single.
Combo or just sandwich?
The combo.
Medium.
And what's your drink for that?
Can I make that a medium?
You sure can.
And what do you want on yours?
Can I get a strawberry lemonade? No onion, no tomato, no lettuce, and no ketchup.
Yeah. Anything else?
We just gonna pause for a quick second. I just don't like how Karen got an attitude with me when I'm trying to order my food. And then my wife gonna double team with her as well. Okay, 2 can play that game. We gonna get back to the video though. Yes, please, man. I have the Baconator, the son of a Baconator combo.
What's your drink?
A fruit punch, no ice.
Anything else?
Bottle water.
And a bottle of water.
Okay, anything else for you?
And may I have barbecue sauce? And that's all.
Alright, pull on that. $18.95. Make sure you give him barbecue sauce.
Y'all, this Wendy's right here about ghetto. I don't know, she got an attitude, but she don't want to work.
I don't know either, but that's why I started talking. You were talking too slow for me. Because I only owe my mom's watch 2 more payments.
Long owe 2 more payments.
On my mom's watch.
But that was drinking all your water. I'm about to say, hold on. Thank you. Take that. I'm about to check our food because they had an attitude. I think that was mine.
Oh no, this is mine.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Ain't got no bacon. Do you have a medium fry in here?
A medium fry?
Oh no, this is medium fry. I have your barbecue sauce.
They thought I was about to pull off. About checking my food and Karen got an attitude. I might make sure you give him his barbecue sauce. You're darn right. She gave me 1 barbecue.
You put it in my bag.
They gave me 1 barbecue sauce. What I'm gonna do with that? We about to hit this road at IKEA. It's gonna be like an hour, 15 minutes. So we will see you guys once we get there. All right, y'all, we at IKEA.
And it's 3 o'clock. We make good timing.
We make good timing.
We'll probably be out by 7.
You better slow down. I don't know. I ain't never been to IKEA before, y'all, and this store is huge. Like out of all the
I'm
time,
gonna tell you right now, the beginning is just like showroom, and then you can pick up little stuff here and there. But you don't actually get the big stuff that you want to buy until you get to the checkout. All the other.
But after all the time she been to IKEA, I ain't never been here.
I only came once.
I thought you came to IKEA way more than once.
Yeah, I only came one time.
Oh, I thought you came like at least like 3 times. So switch my glasses right quick. Yeah, I need to make sure I look like I know what I'm doing because I ain't never been here before, and everybody else has been here, and people is like ain't walking like normal. Like I've never been to IKEA before. It's like a huge Walmart. She said we're gonna start down here and then go upstairs. I was like, what? There's an upstairs? One of these or this one? That's how the carts go?
Yeah, you can. Like, if you need to move sideways.
Y'all look at the carts, bro. You can take these things side. Do it again. Like, bro, that's fire. I feel like a little kid. Yeah, look at all this stuff in here, man. Kicking stuff on the ground. All the carts are like that, right?
Yeah, but it's going to the side involuntarily.
You just switch a different cart?
Yeah.
All right, so we done found the Walmart cart, so we got to put this one back. Y'all see how I push that thing in the angle? That's like low-key dope. I think all of them are like that. All right, guys, so we about to just look around, see what she wants, see if I want anything. Like I said, I never been in here, so it's all new for me.
These are different ice cream. You need some more of these.
Dish brushes. Get the pinks for the girls, so they can learn how to wash dishes. Oh!
Don't say that. You almost pissed me off.
You say what? The green ones? Oh, these right here? How many you want?
Just one.
Yeah, that low key was funny. All right, 1 item in the cart. 3 items in the cart. Hey, I'm making progress. I'm trying to say, comment down below if y'all been to IKEA. Cause this is just like, this is too much. My goodness. Babe, if I hit the lottery, I'll take you here to go on a shopping spree, girl. Like, this is a lot of stuff. It's like a Walmart blew up. Like, this is like the Ant-Man Walmart when he hit the button and he got bigger. That's what this is like. What kind of cart? What kind of cart is that? That's some weird stuff. It's just a lot of stuff in here, y'all. This is just crazy. I'm ready to get to the furniture now. See what that look like. Y'all low key, I really thought that like this stuff was gonna be like mad expensive, but it doesn't seem that expensive. Like this showroom nice though. Like the showroom is like somewhat nice. That's how I'm gonna get my entertainment room right there. Yes, sir.
You can do that.
Yeah. Surprise them on Wednesday. With the black cord as well?
One more black cord.
All right, guys. So we made a lot of progress. We done did a whole entire bottom downstairs. So now we gotta get ready to find an elevator so we can head to the upstairs. And we are where?
Right here.
Rugs and floors.
We need to go to the elevator because we need to get up here.
Y'all, we heading to this elevator. We're gonna have to hold our breath. Had to hold my breath. We in that elevator, y'all. COVID out here? Heck no.
We're gonna start right here.
I kid y'all not. We just was down there, and now we up here.
We went through the bottom so quick. Me and Brittany came in the showroom first, and then we did downstairs because it led us to self-checkout.
So anyway, we are upstairs, guys. About to get this bad boy started. And boy, oh boy, it is pretty nice up here. It really is nice. So we're gonna see what we want to do, if we want to get anything for the baby's room. So. Not none of those, right?
Oh, that was kind of cute.
Which one?
The rainbow one. You like the bear?
Not really.
Okay.
You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it.
Oh, that's one of the things I want. Now that I see it though, I don't think I want it.
What
The
those?
wall thing, yeah.
It's low key look nice, but
Oh, that's what
y'all just look at all this in here. This is like a lot. This is like way too much. And she said there's still more to come. They got couches on the wall. This is just crazy. It's a lot. Y'all, I am still amazed about how much stuff is still in here that we still have not yet seen. Or have not yet seen. There's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. It's just crazy. I know I done said this about 10 times already, but it is a lot of stuff in here. All right, everyone, we have entered into the baby world. That's right.
What do you think is better? The book display or the wall?
I'll say the wall is better. That you got to keep moving. You put that out there, and that's there. Legit, there.
We'll take a picture of it.
Y'all, it's like a whole jungle gym in here. Like, it's just crazy. We're definitely going to get this once they get bigger. Definitely.
I want it now, but I'm trying to hold.
Oh! That's fire. This will be fire. They be like, stay away from my dresser. My little closet. Oh, look at this one. Not for $139. We good with what we got. Yeah, I'm low key. I'm kind of glad I'm having girls. Well, we're having girls because look, they gonna have this one day right here.
And this extends out.
Best believe me. She could be like, I want to talk to you, Daddy. Can this show all the way? Oh no, they can't shadow it, but you get the
I like that
deal.
one, though. I like that one better.
That's too boyish.
That's not a boy thing, babe. This is too childish.
That's
They
not
can't
too
grow with this. They can grow with that.
Girl, my goodness. We are now entering to the area to pick up our dresser.
Alright, grab one of those, baby.
Wonder what? Oh. For your safety, do not lift the door. You go ahead, sir. Thank you. That's fire. I'm talking about over here in my. What? What you doing? You not using that cart anymore? Oh, no, you should have told me something. She gonna walk y'all through this stuff because I ain't never did this before.
We already got that. We decided not to go with that. This is what we're going for. There's only 5 in stock.
Huh?
So we're going to, there's only 5 in stock. So we got to go to aisle 32.
Aisle 32? Y'all, that's
44.
aisle 32.
It's
We got
over here somewhere.
We got a long way to walk. It's aisle 2.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
So apparently, we were not able to get into our aisle, guys. We had to go back to this little service booking to get a ticket in order for us to get into the aisle to get our dresser. There's only 5 left, and this line was kind of moving fast when we got here, but now it's kind of moving slow.
And there's people actually going in there.
Yeah, so we need to hurry up because I ain't with all this 5 left and this and that and this third stuff.
Do you want to see if we can find the coffee table? And the tray table?
The dresser is a mandatory, so.
I know, I'm still stay here.
But what happens if you get it and I go looking and you can't even get the dresser off the thing by yourself?
Oh yeah.
Look at you. So we're in line, we're waiting for this. So hopefully we'll see you guys once we get this ticket and get to the aisle. So. Alright guys. Time to bring out the legal weapons.
Lethal.
Illegal.
You said legal.
Illegal. Lethal.
Lethal.
Alright guys, time to bring out the lethal weapons.
Alright. Come on.
We gotta get this first, like.
Oh.
If I just throw stuff up here and then. Oh.
You okay?
That's not my drawers. Everything heavy.
Come on.
Gotta lift my back.
Your legs, babe. You throw your back out. Is it really that heavy?
No, I'm just playing.
Oh.
That's one. Can I get 2 of them? I'm gonna get 2 of them.
3 is longer. So you should just put it on its side, like I said.
I should get 3 first, right?
You should just put it on its side, like I said. Because then you got to worry about it hitting people.
They better worry about them getting out of the way.
If you just put it on the side, you won't be doing none of this.
Either way, you gonna have to worry about hitting people. It's still gonna be long. We got a return policy, don't we?
Oh gosh, why don't you just listen to me?
What?
Just put it on the side, then you can push it in more.
You can push it in more regardless if it's long ways or not.
Y'all, this man is hard-headed. He won't listen to what nobody got to say.
Alrighty, guys, we got our dresser and
Coffee table, side table, 2 lamps. That was extra.
2 bears. No, we didn't get the
get
bears.
bears.
Cause we gonna go to Build a Bear.
Oh, the book display.
Y'all look at that. This
And some, like,
bottom,
cleaning
this
stuff.
bottom box right here, y'all, it is so long. Like, I literally had to force my door to shut. I kid you not. Like, thank you. Like, I'm glad the doors are like secured, closed. Like, cause I was like, uh-oh, what we gonna do here? But I'm about to head to Ross right quick, and then we'll probably just grab something to eat. Like, I'm gonna have to do this dinner thing another night.
What are you trying to do?
I got a Texas Roadhouse card.
Mm.
So we'll probably do this another night. But we're about to go get ready to go to Ross, then hit this road back. We'll get something to eat first and then hit this road back home. So we will see you guys.
All right, stop.
Is it good? Y'all, it's all nice and lovey-dovey that we got this stuff, but I just realized when we move out and from our apartment and get ready to move on to our next location in June, it's just more stuff that I gotta carry down this flight of steps that she ain't gonna help me with, cause she is gonna be pretty much just got delivering the babies, and her body ain't gonna be 100%. Y'all, this girl gonna have a whole year to her. She ain't even did nothing. She ain't even drove on the highway yet since she got pregnant.
It's okay. I drove on the highway with my mom.
When it's been me and you,
And Mevin.
when it's been me and you,
I shouldn't have to.
y'all, she ain't never got behind the steering wheel when it's been me and her.
I shouldn't.
Not Christmas, not Thanksgiving.
I shouldn't have to.
I'll be on the road like this.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto McCullough Drive.
All up on the steering wheel and everything. Well, that's just crazy, y'all. All right, MK gang, we are finally home. I'm about to get this dresser set up so I can go ahead and chill once I get this done. Just to give y'all a little preview what the room currently looks like. Here we go. So you know what I'm saying? We got the 2 cribs on each side, one on this side, one on that side. We probably gonna get rid of this mat right here, get something else put into it. Got 2 little stands over there. We're actually gonna get rid of those now that we have the dresser. Gonna get that stuff taken care of, move my cords and stuff out the way. Shout out to Doris and Courtney. They gave us a lot of stuff from their little baby girl that she doesn't use anymore. So you already know how we about to get with that. But without further ado, we're gonna get this thing started. Dresser's gonna be going right there. Currently, right now, when we move into our new spot, the dresser will be like going to the wall because it's one of those dressers that could tip over. So that's a hazard because once they do start crawling and stuff or pulling on things to help them get up, that's going to be a no-no. So, but the dresser is going to go there as of right now. But without further ado, let's get to it.
Later.
Y'all, I'm tired. It is, what time is it?
12:10. I mean, it's 12.
12:10. Y'all, it's 12:10. Oh my goodness. I put this dresser together by myself.
Stop lying. I put all pieces together. I read the instructions. Don't do me. I gave you all the tools. You didn't have to look at anything. You didn't have to look for anything.
She read the instructions, but I assembled it together. Like I did both of these beds. Yo, what time did we get home? Yo, this literally took 3 hours. Bro, I am not going to IKEA anymore. I'm going to go to Lowe's or Walmart. Something that's easier to assemble.
That's probably going to fall apart. IKEA's stuff is sturdy.
Yo.
And when we get the changing table up here, this will be high enough to change diapers. I'm happy.
I'm happy that I'm done now.
And I have enough room here to still put my rocking chair. All right, come on, let's look at these coffee tables.
I'm not putting a coffee table together. No. I'm gonna read the directions. You can screw and stuff. Now look at her stomach. What is it?
Right here.
I can't do this.
Come on, baby.
I can't.
We're almost done.
You
I'll
could
meet
give
you in there.
You could give me a back massage like I won. Babe, back massage. Oh my gosh.
I can't lift this up. I'm gonna spare you. I'm not gonna put the lamps up till tomorrow morning.
I ain't putting no lamps up in the morning. All right, y'all, come here, babe, come here. So we can end this video, so we can get this
My
thing.
mouth is blue.
That's fine.
What's not?
That's how y'all know she ain't been working. Her mouth is blue. No, for real, come here.
Then admit
No.
that I was working.
Okay, she was working. She put her work in. She did her thing. She
I
read them
stayed up.
instructions. She stayed up. Because she slept on the way back home. But
For
anyway,
1 hour.
this is going to conclude the video. I'll probably show you guys an update once I finalize everything and get the trash out of the room and stuff. So, without further ado, this is the Howell family. And we are